Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TSNP. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, a very impressive movement today. I've been talking about this one over and over, how the bulls kept fighting. One of the leading indicators that'll mean a little bit more to those of you that watched the video on Monday, but talked about how the price had actually broken up above that purple line there. And then today got the surge upwards above that area of resistance. So very nice move on the bulls part, and that is what brings about the first key update. And this update is based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So the newest area of support moving forward, and the ideal level, we have to ask, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute best going forward? Well, ideally, if the price can stay above 14 cents, that would be a fantastic sign of strength. But I mean, don't get me wrong, if the price falls below that level, that doesn't mean the entire chart's destroyed or anything like that. But yeah, preferably speaking, you want to see the price stay above 14 cents. As far as the next level of support would be that purple line there, the 50-period moving average. So as time goes by, that line is just going to move itself higher and higher, which is basically like a trend line. In fact, I like to call moving averages trend lines for lazy people. So if you don't want to draw a trend line, then that quote-unquote trend line will draw itself for you. So as long as the price does stay above that area, then that would imply that the overall trend is still, in the bulls' favor. So keep an eye on that. But yes, 14 cents would be great to see the price stay above there. But even if it doesn't, you still do have that 50-period moving average. Now, what about next potential areas of battlegrounds? Well, the next big level is the very famous, very well-known 200-period simple moving average from my chart is denoted there by that pink line there, currently valued at 18 cents. The 200-period, is one of those areas where even if you have a very basic, very surface-deep understanding of charts, I'm sure you've heard of the 200-period moving average, and you know that when the price is down below it, it tends to act as resistance. So not that it can't be broken or anything like that. I'm just saying that, that the price is really going to need to bring its A game if it is going to be able to actually push up through that area. So all in all, though, very impressive movement today. Nice, sign of strength again on the bulls part. So let's see if the price can continue to build upon the momentum moving forward. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.